Hi friends, we usually tend to leave these kind of problems in exam. Let's examine the question for 10 seconds. We have 2 raised to the power x, 4 raised to the power x, which is 2 square. Then again we have 3 raised to the power x and 9 raised to the power x is square, and 6 is multiplication of 2 into 3. So we can find some similarities. So let's take 2 raised to the power x as a. So a square will become 2 raised to the power x square. The power inside and outside bracket are always interchangeable. You can also write this as 2 square raised to the power x or 4 raised to the power x. Let's take b as 3 raised to the power x. So b square will become 9 raised to the power x. Now for 6 raised to the power x, I won't take it as c. I'll multiply a and b, which will be 2 raised to the power x and 3 raised to the power x. This will become 6 raised to the power x. Let's simply put all these values in this equation. This will become a plus b minus a square plus ab minus b square equal to 1. It still looks pretty scary, but I can see some equation like a square, b square and ab. But to solve this, I need 2ab. So let's multiply this whole thing by 2. 2ab, 2b. This can become a minus b whole square. So write this as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's write the rest of the values like 2a plus 2b. Also 1a square and b square is left. So minus a square minus b square equal to 2. I can see another pattern like a square, 2a and 1 can be here. And similarly b square, 2b and 1. So again write this as minus of a square minus 2a plus 1 minus of b square minus 2b plus 1 minus a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 0. Make them perfect square like a minus 1 whole square, b minus 1 whole square and a minus b whole square. If we move this left hand side to right hand side, this will all become positive. You can also write it like this. And sum of 3 whole squares is coming out to be 0. That means individually all these 3 terms will be 0, which implies a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and a equal to b, which is a given since they are equal to 1. 2 raised to the power x equal to 1, 3 raised to the power x equal to 1. That is only possible if x is equal to 0. Therefore, we have only one solution, that x is equal to 0. Thank you for watching this video. I hope we meet in our next video.